No talk. We're back with another episode of What If Android 18 Cheated on Krillin, Part 8. With no further ado, we getting right back to it. He finna fight the gorilla. Okay. Okay. So apparently, like, Popo, he just smashed Android 18 just for the hell of it. Just for the fun. We gotta skip the intro, but shout out to the intro. Okay, back to the episode. Damn, they destroyed that bitch. Type shit.
But before we start,
Why you drew him like that?
I want to ask you, how much can you bench press? I can max 550. How about you?
Oh, me? I could bench 552.
The fact it could talk.
But I could do it for reps.
Yeah, Popo taller than the gorilla.
Gorilla is that? How did he get up here, bro? Who is that?
Type shit.
It's all according to plan. Plan?
What plan, nigga?
Then they's like, yeah. Earlier when you were getting your ass beat, Mr. Popo said something about his kids hosting some animal tournament. I specifically remember him saying something about a gorilla playing a grizzly bear. So I knew exactly what he was talking about.
What?
Don't forget, bro. I'm Earth's guardian, which is basically God. So I see all this shit.
Okay.
What are you saying? And then they's like, I'm saying that I just snitched on Mr. Popo.
Wow.
Swings on the gorilla, but the gorilla leaves it.
Okay.
Punches Mr. Popo
Okay.
in the jaw. Then
Okay.
follows up with a clean kick.
Okay.
And then one big punch
Ooh.
causes Mr. Popo to drop on the ground. Like
Damn,
a
slump your
shot.
bitch ass.
Then the gorilla's like, unless you want me to stomp your ass out, you better get up and continue this fight. So Mr. Popo gets up, wiping the blood off.
Shit, he like, damn.
He's like, alright, you got hands, I'll give you that. But don't think you won this fight.
Shit, Krillin need to go back inside the hype about time shape and train a little bit.
Mr. Popo ducks it and tackles the gorilla.
Type
He
shit.
starts grabbing and shit, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Popo low-key don't got hands like that. He started grabbing like and shit, trying to overpower the gorilla.
Man, come on, bro. I thought you gave the man hands.
Causing him to let go. And then he punches that nigga clean in his face.
Damn.
Sending him flying across Kami's lookout. Then
Okay.
Gorilla picks up some debris and rocks off the ground.
Type shit.
When Krillin destroyed part of the lookout with his final flash, and he starts throwing the
Nigga, it destructive flash, bro. Remember your own techniques, bro.
flying back. Then Mr. Popo barely
Weave,
dodges the
weave,
rock.
weave,
One of them,
weave,
like, scrapes like a piece of his
weave.
skin off like a little bit, like it barely grazes him. Mr. Popo's like,
if I was directly hit by even one of those,
Oh yeah, they fight again. Nice. We're gonna have to continue this in the next part. Catch you in that time.